Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Edit. So guys, if you have subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Hit the notification bell below to get notified when we post our new videos. So it's still tuned guys, today I will take you through the okay guys, so for this tutorial we can use different apps, but for this one I'm using my photo director. So we'll be choosing the image. Okay, so what you're going to do with the photo director, not much, we're just cutting out the skyscraper in the background. These two skyscraper, we're going to cut it out. So you can do that either with your Autodesk, PixArt or photo director, or you can do it online with BJ remover. So guys, I think we are done with the project for now, so we are going to save it. I think we are done with the photo director for now, so let's go to our Kinemaster app to start our main work. Here I'll be importing this background. I will plus it. So let's extend the clip to 25 seconds. So now we're going to add the background we just cut out from our photo director. We're going to add it to this clip on our Kinemaster now. So we're going to expand it to fit the screen. So expand it to the end of the clip. Let's expand it to the end of the clip. So we are going to add another image. So we'll be adding the protector. Okay, so expand it also to our taste depending on the image you're using. So because I'm going to use a bigger image, so I'm going to expand it to a bigger size. So guys, any image I'm using here, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So now I'll be adding the fireworks. Okay, the fireworks is on green screen, so you know what you're going to do. We're going to use our chroma key. Use a chroma key. Okay, we're going to use a chroma key to remove the green from it. Just turn it, enable it on, it will automatically remove the background. So for me, I just extend it, just make it little. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Oh no, let's check it out. Let's move it a little bit to the other side of the clip. I think it's better this way. So we're going to be adding the green screen I used in the video. So I'll be importing my green screen. Okay, I've successfully imported my green screen. So I'm going to crop it to get only the green screen so that my editing will be easy and fast. Expand our green screen. Expand it to our tastes. Let's check it out. So we'll go to chroma key now. We enable it. So we're going to do some touchings to make it real and good. Let's check it out first. Okay, let's do some touchings in the green screen. Okay, let's expand it, reduce this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe. So we're making it whiter so that we can remove the green background entirely. Okay, I think it's better like this. Let's check it out. Okay, we can't find the green screen. Okay, I think we are good. We are good. So guys, on this junction we'll be adding a little sound on it. So I downloaded a free fireworks sound from Pixabay. I'll be dropping it in the description of this video, also with other materials I use in making the video. So let me locate it. I've added the fireworks sound to make it look real. Okay, I think it's perfect now. check some things out first. Okay, perfect. So I think we are done with the second section. We are going to save it from here. After saving it, we are going to import it back to make some adjustment in the color effect, because the colors there are different. After saving it, we are going to import it back. That is the clip we just saved. Now we're going to import it back. This is our Kinemaster. That is okay. We imported the clip back. So now we're going to make some adjustments in the temperature of the clip. So go back, just adjustments. So locate our temperature. Oh, let's just check out this one. Oh, I don't think this one's matches. No, this look lighter. We'll find something darker. Okay, we'll increase it a little bit. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, I think this okay. So from here we can just save our work. So guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Hit the notification bell below to get notified when we post our new videos. Thank you guys.